We're fishing in the Hawkesbury again. And what are we up to today, Jax?
We are having a competition to see who catches the most.
There we go. Let's see who wins. It is on. Alright, we are doing low tide fishing today. Something for a change. Usually we try head out during the high tide, but it's low tide today, so we'll see how we go. Usually we don't have a lot of luck, so see what happens. Hopefully the fish gods deliver. Nice cast. Alright, look at that. Shimma Shrimp in action. He's on again for number 2. With the Shimma Shrimp. Go to Tailor.
Yeah.
Oh, nice work. Put him back, he's under.
Can you use them, like cut him off with the string?
Needs to be over 30.
Can we not use them as bait though?
Needs to be over 30. Good job. Number 2.
Yeah.
Alright, see you, Mr. Tailor. Here he is, going for number 3. Oh, got a little 30cm Trev here.
Almost.
Gonna let him go. Goes. Doesn't count because I'm using a bait rig. That's the rules. Alright, so this is the little Berkley Shimma Shrimp that Jackson's using. He's caught 2 little fish with it so far, so better than nothing, right? So far so good. First time catching a fish on lures.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
It feels fine.
Feels good. Maybe you'll be like a lure fisherman now.
Yeah.
Now that you got a taste of it. Stuff. I'm going to put a heavier sinker on because it's a pretty small lure, so a bit of a current, so got that guy on there now. We'll just go next size up so that sort of stays down there. We're on. Just being very careful with this one because it could possibly be a first fish.
It's only little.
Still counts, right?
Yep.
What do you reckon, Jax? Tiny brim?
Tiny brim, I think.
No problem.
Whoa, Flatty!
Hey! Oi, oi, oi.
Quick, quick! Oh, he's a big one! Quick! Jackson, don't you go in my line.
It's alright, just bring it in.
What are you doing? It ran into my line.
No, got a flatty!
Oh, he's a big one!
Ah, I was trying to jump out. Jump out. Oh! That was close, you almost jumped out of the net.
Yeah, Mum got one!
Yeah, boy. That's a good size too.
Diddles on me, boys.
He ran right on.
That's what we're
onto
after.
my line. It's not my fault.
He's a chunky boy.
He touched my foot!
Hold that. Do you want to hold it?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
That's a huge one.
Oh, look at the prawn in his mouth. Is he coming home?
Yeah, he's coming home.
Check this out.
Dad, my line is in Tom's.
Alright. Let me just get this. Nice close up of our flatty. 47 centimeters. And we'll take him home. Nice and chunky. Just looking for another one. Jack's Shimma Shrimp hasn't done anything for a while. Beautiful day out here. A little bit windy, but haven't been out for a while. It's good enough.